Hello my fibre friends, welcome to today's video. And today's video I've got a yarn haul from Deramores. Deramores is a UK based yarn company, sells yarn, patterns, all sorts of things. So I'll put the link below here and go check them out. So I've done an order for, I think I placed an order for Chunky. So it arrived today. So there's my big box. So let's see. I ordered Chunky because I needed some. Well, I didn't need, but I wanted Chunky. So what have we got? So I've got Stylecraft. This is 100 grams. It's Chunky, 100% premium acrylic, 144 meters, 157 yards, anti-pilling, and knits all chunky patterns. Crochet hook. A J or a 10 in US and 6mm here in the UK, 4mm needles and US 10 needles. Machine washable, cool tumble dry, cool iron, and it may be dry cleaned. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and the shade is called Denim, but I thought they would look nice with your denim, my denim trousers, jeans. What else did I order? I ordered some white as well. Oh gosh. Oh, again Stylecraft, and this is white, and this exactly the same as the and I got five of them. I got some Signet Chunky, and this is cream. It's 100 grams, 156 meters, 100% acrylic, machine wash, hand wash, cold rinse, short spin, do not wring, cool iron, 6 to 6.5 needles and hook. So that's that, and I got 5 of them as well. And then I got another Stylecraft, and this colour's plum. I like plum. I thought they go nice together. You can see, yeah. So I got 5 of them, and because I spent over £25, I got an advent parcel. So shall we see what I got in the parcel, what yarn I got in here? Ooh, a mixture. Oops. Let's see what I got. Studio. I love Studio, which is Deramores' own yarn, and it is so soft. It's an anti-pilling. This colour is mustard, and it is 100 grams, 100% acrylic. This is made in Turkey. Oh, the Stylecraft, where's the Stylecraft made? That's made in Turkey, and the Signet is made here in the UK. So what else was I talking about? So this is double knitting, 5mm or US 8, and a crochet hook 4mm US G6. So there's 250 meters, 273 yards. So that's that colour. What else did I get? Oh, navy blue. Oh, I haven't got no navy either. Oh, I got. Oh, this is the baby soft. This one. I've got baby soft yarn. Oh, double knitting. What have I got? How many of them? Got 2 of those. really nice. And I've got another anti-pilling, and this one's aubergine. Bring it up to the light. Nice. So that's the same as the other. I got 2 aubergines. So again, the anti-pilling, and these are all made in Turkey. And then that's not bad. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls. Oh, I've got. Oh, I've not tried this. Look at that. This is the. I got two of those. They're 50 grams. Let's see. Made in Turkey, 100% cotton. 105 meters, 115 yards. Right. 4mm needles, US 6, and hook is 5mm and US 8. And the colour, oh, iris. I hope you can see that colour. It's really, and it's so soft, really nice and soft. That's soft as well. I do love. I really would try Deramores' own yarn, the Studio. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it knits up beautifully. So yeah. So that's my my little yarn haul. The last one of this year. I think I've done enough. I think I've got maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 shelves that need filling, but I've got these to go on, so maybe not. So anyway, I'm going to go. Thanks ever so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. And if you're not a subscriber and you're new, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you get notifications of when I do my live video. I don't do live videos, when I do a new video. Like and share with your friends, and leave a comment. I really do enjoy reading your comments. So take care, everybody, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye bye for now. Stay safe.